So this is something that I think is going to surprise a lot of people when it comes to Shiba Inu. What you need to know is that even though we've gone on a fairly large retracement over the last few days here, we've dropped what, about 20% or so? Yeah, about 20%. Nothing has really changed. All right. Nothing has really changed when it comes to Shiba Inu. We still have strong fundamentals. We still have huge optics throughout the space. Even though prices dropped here, what you need to know is that we've actually increased in terms of holders. So we've actually been on this kind of period of chop when it comes to Shiba Inu holders. We've had new people come in, we've had new people go out, we've dealt with kind of these ups and downs and swings in the market. And actually, even over the last few days where we saw a significant drop in terms of Shiba Inu price, we have actually climbed in terms of our overall holders. We actually have new, fresh money entering the space, basically propping up the price of Shiba Inu. Now, obviously, this isn't a guarantee that this is the bottom or anything like that. We're kind of floating in no man's land. You know, we talked about this strong support range for Shiba Inu. Now it's going to be resistance as we try to climb back up, kind of floating in the middle of this old ascending channel that we were in and sitting above this 4012 range, right? But during this time, people have taken opportunity to actually accumulate and buy the dip. Over the last few days, we've seen this increase in the amount of holders. Now, it hasn't been a significant increase. It's an increase of probably about 1,000 holders or so. But what's even more interesting is at this time where Shiba Inu was consolidating, we actually saw our biggest drop in the amount of holders back here from the 29th to the 30th. Kind of a bizarre time to do so. So what this shows you is that even in times where SHIB price isn't performing well, people are still paying attention. People are still taking advantage of opportunities when it comes to accumulating Shiba Inu. Really think about this. For people that bought maybe up near the top, somewhere around 4045, and have ridden things down, these are the opportunities where you can dollar cost average and bring down that average buy-in price. Me personally, I bought very heavily down in the fire sale range. I'd identified where the bottom was. I bought very heavily down there. I did kind of buy on the way down from the top too. But me personally, I'm looking at this and this is still huge discounts right now. This is that time where people were wishing for lower prices. The lower prices are here. All right. I hope that makes sense. You know, a lot of people, they'll say, oh yeah, if price drops back down to 4015, I'll buy heavily. And then when we get there, people just tend to sit on their hands. It's why a lot of people don't make it in crypto. And frankly, you know, people wash themselves out from cycle to cycle to cycle. Some people get a bad taste in their mouth and they never come back again. But the people who do it right, the people who accumulate during times where there's fear in the market, they're the ones that long-term end up having a good time. As long as they're taking profit along the way, they end up having a good time in crypto. So I just wanted to share that with everyone. Don't be fooled by the prices. Prices are always the lagging metric, guys. And right now, the fundamentals, the indicators, and in fact, the holders are showing that Shiba Inu is in fact on the rise. So appreciate you guys. Have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.